I just wanted to come back without the... I realised my neck is so short. So when I put chokers on and stuff like that, it just doesn't look good. So I'm taking some video without, you know what I'm saying? My neck looks more elongated because I'm wearing a V-neck. It just makes me look more slimmer. Whereby when I put this on, it's like there's a traffic light. There's a traffic light, you know what I'm saying? There's, you know, it gets confusing. So, yeah, that's a bit of image consultancy there for you, because I'm an image consultant as well, you know what I'm saying? Trained and qualified, you know what I mean? Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you like to see how I did this very simple look with a little bit of glitter, you know what I'm saying? This is basically my go-to when I ain't got time. I just got no time. This is what I would do to go wherever I gotta go. You know what I'm saying? If you like to see how I did the look, feel free to continue. Thank you so much to the people who have already subscribed to my channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, guys, I mean, by now, I don't know what you want me to tell you. I don't know. I mean, like, what more do you need from me? What more do you need from me? Huh? Tell me for you to subscribe. Huh? Just press it now. Press it now. Press the little bell so you know whenever I've uploaded a video. And, you know, it'll be all good. It'll be fine. You know what I'm saying? So, guys, my camera decided to fail me. I was going to record 2 days ago. Was it 2 days ago? 2 days ago. And it decided, nah, we've had enough. We want to break. We want to go to the repairs and get fixed. Why you want to get fixed? I don't know, because you weren't damaged and all of a sudden you decided to damage yourself on that day. So now the lens doesn't go in or out, and so therefore it doesn't focus and it's not recording. So I've got to get it sorted. Taking it to, well, it's still got warranty on it. So I'm going to take it to a dealer's and get it sorted. So I'm using my Huawei where it all started. So I've gone back to it. But I've got a bit more lighting. So I hope you still see a bit of quality, you know, just a little bit of quality. So, yeah, how are you guys? How has this semi-lockdown been for you? I hope everything's fine. I hope everything's dandy. If you haven't already followed me on Instagram, feel free to go there. I'm not going to hype up this giveaway anymore. When I get to 3,000, you guys will know, because I'll give away the giveaway, okay? So go over there and feel free to follow me. It's the same as here, it's Azamai MUA Beauty, and on Facebook as well is Azamai MUA Beauty, and on TikTok as well is Azamai MUA Beauty, and on Twitter is Azamai MUA. Okay, so I don't think there's much else to say. I will be doing very soon, and that's the whole point. You see, the devil's a lie. He was trying it with me last 2 days ago, but it's not gonna work. So 2 days ago I was gonna do my makeup, and I was gonna do an extra video of me just talking about being a mother and things I've changed in the past few months when it comes to being a mother, especially to my daughter, and how things are so much better because I had to change. There were certain things in me that I was doing and I was feeling, and I was projecting it onto her, and it just gave my whole household a very negative, dark grey cloud. I can't, but now that cloud has been lifted. So I just wanted to talk about that a little bit, but it's 4:15 in the morning. I'm not going to do it today, and plus I want my camera for it as well, do you know what I mean? Because I think it's something that can, I'm hoping that my testimony will help other people, other mothers, other single mothers who might be going through some things and they can't really express it, and so instead of it being able to actually express it, they're, you know, not even doing, but just they're treating their loved ones with a little less regard than other people and things of that nature. So I'm talking too much. I'm talking even before. Like, listen, you guys, when I tell you that story, when I tell you the life-changing story, it'll be good. I'll have to explain more when I'm talking about it for you to get what I'm talking about. But yeah, it's pray to God I won't cry that day, because every time I think about it, it's just. Anyway, guys, let me leave you guys. Let me go and take some pictures for the gram and then go to bed, because it's, like I said, it's nearly like 4:30 now. So yeah, guys, I hope I haven't forgotten anything. Hope you guys are staying safe. I hope you guys are staying blessed. I hope you guys are, you know, doing what you gotta do in this lockdown to feel happy and to happy yourself. That's the main thing. You gotta happy yourself, you know, and make people around you happy as well. Give them joy, give them laughter, give them lightness. You know what I'm saying? I hope I ain't got no lipstick on. I didn't even check because, boy, like I said, it was late. I've got a little bit, but it is what it is. So guys, let me leave you guys because I know my battery's gonna die soon, and I really hope you lot can see everything clearly, and you can see that I've made an FX mod as well, you know what I'm saying? Oh yeah, tell me what you think about my hair. I think it's a bit too red for me. I think I'm gonna be 40, mate. I can't be doing these bright hairstyles anymore, hair colors anymore, but I just thought I'd leave it for today. I'm definitely going to dye it a little bit darker, like a burgundy or something like that. Might leave a little bit of the red and then just do everything burgundy. But I just thought for today, let me just rock it and rock it. You know what I'm saying? So guys, let me leave you guys to enjoy the video and see you in my next video. Sorry that I'm using my phone again. I hope, like I said, you can see the clarity still same way. You know what I'm saying? Okay guys, take care, stay blessed. Bye. Hi guys, so let's start. I used my Embryolase matte cream, and then I went in with my Juvia's Place concealer in J9. As per usual, you know, I do the underpainting routine. I wanted to use a little bit of a lighter shade as well, so I went in with my lighter just say just say Sorry guys, I forgot about that little interlude. But as I was saying, I used my lighter Lancome colour and then for highlighting, then I went in with colour 16 for my contour. And like you guys know, I do the underpainting method. Had to take off my scarf because I forgot that I had to do obviously my forehead. As you can see, I've dyed my hair quite bright red, which I'm kind of not feeling. Like I've been there, done that kind of like things, you know what I mean? But for today, I thought, why not? Because I'd already dyed it the day before, so I thought, let me just leave it. So yeah, I'm just, you know, blending all the shades into place for now. And what I love about the underpainting, I always said, is that you don't have to be so precise. Do you know what I mean? You really don't have to be so precise because you are going to, it's going to all be disguised. It's going to be disguised, and secondly, you're going to obviously highlight and shadow the places you don't want to be shown as much through the powder that you use. Then I went over everything with my color 14 of Lancome, my Lancome stick. And so yeah, so when you put it doesn't have to be so perfect. Oh gosh, the English is not coming because you're going to set everything with the powders, which is also different shades. I went in with my golden and my warm golden CC Perfecting powder by Revolutions Pro for my highlighted areas. And then I went in with my, I think it's the dark. I always get confused if it's either the dark or the deep. And today I did carve out my cheekbone, but I realized I need to blend it in a circular motion. So you're going to see me do that with my darker shades, and that's what prevents that line that I didn't like, basically. So yeah, I do that. You're going to see, I can't remember, I think that's deep that I use for my contouring. So you guys know now that I do the same thing that I do with the creams or the liquid foundations. I do see now that I'm doing more circular motions as opposed to I don't know what I was doing before, but yeah, it looks a little bit more blended. And then I go over everything with the dark CC palette, sorry, the dark CC Perfecting pressed powder, and that just makes everything more flawless, and you know, all the shading is seen correctly. And I was going to say something about this, I forgot now. I forgot I was going to say something about this whole technique, but it's totally gone. But when I remember, I'll put it in somewhere. And then I went in with my dark bronzer by Makeup Revolution as well, and I went down my neck a little bit as well. I think you saw that, guys, that I did go down my neck. Now I thought, let me use a bit of red from my BH Cosmetics matte palette for my blush, as I was going to be doing a bright red lipstick. Then I set everything in place with my Morphe mattifying palette, Morphe mattifying spray. And then I highlighted with Heroin, I think that's Heroin 1, I think. But I'll put everything in the description box. Went up my nose with it as well, as you can't see. Then I blended everything in place as per usual. And obviously, because my hair is red, I used a red brow pencil from MUA. And then I went, well, I initially was going to do the whole thing red, but for now that might be a bit too much. So I thought, you know what, let me just use a bit of my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow in Granite to do more of a gradient, like brow from red to granite, basically. And guys, I haven't been telling you guys to share, so this is your reminder. Okay, darlings, if you haven't subscribed, or if you haven't shared, or if you haven't followed me on Instagram, please, darlings, please. I don't know what more you want me to tell you about it. Please, okay? Let's not keep on doing this, okay? Let's not. And then I cleaned everything up with some concealer. Today I didn't really go over it with I didn't use my foundation concealer. So my foundation color for the tip and for the tip of my brow, like I usually do, or for the beginning of my brow, I just use the whole light concealer, because I thought, boy, it is what it is, and it is what it is, you know what I'm saying? But anyway, as I was saying, guys, subscribe, okay? It's just been nice. I mean, wouldn't you like to see any of the other videos that I've got? I mean, like, you know, I made a bit of a mistake, so I was just correcting it. Then I blended everything in place, and then I didn't like the brow on top, so I went in with the same color 14 Lancome to shape up the brow at the top, and I put a little bit at the top, the beginning of my brow, to make it look a bit more gradient, and I blended it all in place as you do. I think I didn't want it set it again with powder, but I didn't. Minty me want to know me the make I want me the myself want me the make I jam like mom ya. Minty me want to know me the make I want me the myself want me the make I jam like mom yo. We've all been there, guys, when a song really touches your heart. But anyway, let's move on. So then I went in with my Nubian 2 palette, I think that is. I can't remember. I'll put everything in the description box as per usual. Then I just literally went in with all the browns from the chocolate palette. So I went in with the lighter brown, then I think it was the darker brown, and then the shimmery brown, and that was it. No, actually, I think it was that brown that I showed you, and then the shimmer brown. That was it. I just used the 2 colors for my lids, and then for my transitional, I went in with the Nubian 1 palette. I think it is. I can't remember what palette. It'll be in the description box. But yeah, it was three colors. I could have even just used 2, to be fair. Then I wanted to do quite an exaggerated cat liner, wing liner. So I used my Inglot 77 gel liner for that. It came out alright. I made a bit of a mistake initially, but it came out fine. Yeah, it came out alright. That's all I'll say about it. But as I was saying, guys, before I forget, once again, because it seems I don't tell you guys when it shows on the screen, feel free to subscribe, feel free to press the notification button, feel free to share this video, guys. All I want to do is spread some love. Spread love, knowledge, entertainment, humor, joy, jovialness. Yeah, then I had to clean it up a little bit. So you see I'm cleaning it up with my LA Girl Pro Concealer. And guys, I'm sorry. And then I blended out the under eye. I don't know if I touched my lens or something, and I had makeup on my lens. It looks a little bit smudgy, blurry, but I apologize for that. Like I said, I'm using my Huawei, and hopefully my camera will be fixed soon, so I'll go back to a better quality. But yeah, I apologize. Yeah. And what the hell am I looking for? Why didn't I cut none of this bit out? Hold on. I don't know what happened there, guys. You know, sometimes editing is it takes on a world of its own. I don't know what happened there, but anywho, yeah, so I cleaned up my under eye because there was a little bit of fallout. And then, you know, I now use the chocolates palette for my liner now for my lips. And so that's what I'm doing here. But I use two colours. I use that colour and then I'll use a lighter brown colour to make it a little bit gradient on my lips to create an ombre effect before I then went in with my red, so my Ruby Woo from MAC, but it was the retro Ruby Woo, it's not the actual, well, it's Ruby Woo, but I don't know why it's retro. I need to find that out. I'm not really sure. Then I thought, you know what, I want to make the middle bit a little bit more ombre. I don't know why, because you can't even see it after I put the glitter on it. So you're going to see that I'm going to now put some I can't remember what the colour is. Like I said, everything will be in the description box. That colour from Maybelline 24 Hour Stay. So yeah, and then I thought, you know what, let me get my glitter out. That's my go-to, literally my go-to for any look that just needs a bit more panache, a little more zest, a little bit more zest, a little bit more jazz, you know what I'm saying? So that's what I did, guys, and basically that was the look. Oh, and then obviously I lined my, I coated my lashes. I think I show one side of doing my eyelash, I think, because I didn't want to turn off my phone because I felt like I kept on moving the phone, so the positioning kept on changing. So yeah, I just put in where I was doing my lashes. So yeah, I done one lash. You know how I do it, stick some glue onto my lash, stick some glue onto the lash itself, and then put it in place, and it's Bob's your uncle. It works a treat, guys. If you don't know how to do your lashes, I would recommend that is the easiest way to get it done. Set everything in place again, guys, and that was it. That was the finished look, guys. I hope you like it. It was very simple, even though it took me so damn long because of the fact that I was using my phone. But that's it. Sorry that I had to take pictures on my Huawei. I hope they're still nice and clear for you. You know what I'm going to do? I didn't even think about this, but I'm going to put in, I've done two TikToks, but I put one in here and then go over to my Instagram and see the other one. All right, guys? You can see it on my TikTok as well. Oh. Add me on TikTok as well. Don't forget. Stay blessed, guys. See you soon. Bye.